how to have a proper snooker grip before, during and after the shot. And the video starts right now. What's up guys, my name is fluent. Welcome to another snooker training video tutorial. If it is your first time here and you want to improve your snooker skills, hit the subscribe button and notification bell icon so that you won't miss out on another video.
My grip tension before the shot, during the shot and after the shot should remain same. So you don't have to during the grip hold tight and after the delivery grip the cue too tight, because it will affect your cueing and cue action badly. So the basic idea is to hold your cue same all the time. So basically I do my shot approach, I come up, my grip tension is always the same, and as I deliver in the cue, my grip tension remains the same all the time. So don't make it too tight, don't make it too loose like a jelly. Make it consistently same tension, and I promise to you that your grip will be much better in much better condition, and you will play much better standard. Okay, so how your grip should look like before the shot, during the shot and after the shot. I will show you my grip tension. So that means my grip shouldn't be too tight or too loose. That means you shouldn't hold like this, like that you cannot move your cue freely. So how to hold your grip in the correct way. So basically when you are doing your last backswing, you should open slightly your last fingers, and as you do your cue delivery, finish with all fingers touching the cue. I mean, when you are pulling your cue back, your last fingers open slightly, and when you're delivering the cue, your hand and grip closes. So right now I will show you how to do in the correct way when I'm playing the shot. And you have to remember that the grip tension always stays same tension before, during and after the shot. Okay? So right now, as I do my shot approach, look at my grip. As I do my feathers, I'm doing my last backswing, my last finger slightly opens, and as I'm delivering the cue, my hand finishes like this. You see, with all my fingers. Not too tight, not too loose, with all my fingers, I have a nice and good tension. Remember, medium tension. As you do feathering, 1, 2, 3. Grip open slightly, and you finish the shot like this. And this is how you have to hold your grip and finish the shots. I hope it's clear right now.
If you look to professional snooker today, you will notice that players have their own way how to hold the cue. Ding Junhui or Ronnie O'Sullivan has more compact way how to hold the cue. Others like Mark Allen or Joe Trump have lighter grip in comparison. So there's many ways how to hold the cue. As a coach, I want to share my personal experience of what works for the most players that I coach and help them achieve better results in their snooker game long term. You can send me your grip hand videos to my WhatsApp number and I will check it out and help you to improve it. So, if you are a player who is just a beginner or struggle to improve your game, give yourself a try to apply these tips. I'm sure it will help you to improve. So guys, what do you think about this video? Did you learn something new and beneficial? Please leave your comments in the description below and let me know what would you like to see next time. It was fluent. Thank you for watching. Until next time.